Scientists around the globe have been telling us planet Earth is dangerously polluted. Since 1950, at least 75,000 new chemical compounds have been invented and dispersed into our environment. Only a fraction of these have been tested for human toxicity. We are by default conducting a massive clinical toxicology trial on our children. There are 51 known contaminants in our water that the U.S. EPA does not regulate. And according to the U.S. Geological Survey and Associated Press, there are approximately 100 significant concentrations of dissolved pharmaceutical medicines, including narcotics, antidepressants, and birth control pills in public drinking water.
$3 billion a year is spent on pesticides for rice. Just rice. Now think about all the other pesticides that are used for other crops. And those pesticides are finding their way into our food supply, which means they're finding their way into our bodies, and they're highly toxic.
Over 750,000 tons of pesticides are applied every year to just cotton fields around the world. Now the toxicity begins even before we are born. New studies show there are on average 287 known industrial chemicals found in newborn babies.
We expose ourselves to chemicals all the time. They're everywhere. They're in our cosmetics. They're in our household cleaning supplies. They're in our clothing. They're used everywhere. We can't escape them. Scientists have shown that a mother transfers chemicals to her unborn baby. So babies are being born already contaminated with chemicals.
We are exposed to so many toxins today as opposed to just 10 years ago. Formaldehyde is a toxin that is highly lethal in humans in high doses. Formaldehyde is found in furniture, carpet, insulation, and there are even companies put formaldehyde in preservatives in food and what we eat.
Diseases like cancer associated with this toxicity are soaring. Among adults, cancer is now the leading cause of death worldwide. In 1901, the cancer rate was 1 in every 8,000 people. By the year 2002, it became a staggering 1 in 2. In 2008, 7.4 million people died from cancer. Childhood cancer is now the number 2 killer of children, second only to accidental poisonings.
The liver is a major organ in our bodies. It's involved in producing bile, which is involved in digestion. It also synthesizes vitamins and nutrients, which it stores. The liver is also very important in filtering out toxins. So any toxins in our bloodstream are filtered out by the liver. And there are too many toxins in our environment. Our livers are becoming overwhelmed.
Approximately 10% of all cancer deaths are associated with the liver. According to liver cancer statistics, 1 out of 153 people born in the U.S. today will be diagnosed with liver cancer at some point in their lifetime, and statistics are worse in developing countries. In response to this global problem, the scientists of FKC have formulated a powerful, natural liver detoxifier called Liveright.
Liveright contains a combination of high-quality nutraceuticals. A nutraceutical is a compound that is not synthetically made. Liveright is used to naturally detoxify the liver.
The components of the Liveright formula are liver-specific natural herbs and molecules synergistically blended together. Liveright contains Astragalus Root.
Astragalus Root is an ancient herb that's used to boost the immune system, and some people use it to fight bacterial and viral infections.
Schisandra Berry.
A Schisandra berry is a wild natural fruit which contains a natural plant steroid known as a lignan. A lignan helps detoxify the liver. A lignan also helps increase the blood supply to our entire body, including the brain, muscle, liver, and even our nerves.
SOD, superoxide dismutase enzyme.
Superoxide dismutase enzyme, also known as SOD, is a natural super antioxidant, and studies show it's also an anti-inflammatory.
Milk thistle.
Milk thistle contains a compound called silmarin, which is the detoxifying agent even stronger than vitamins C and E. It helps protect against even hemochromatosis, which is an iron-induced liver toxicity.
And finally, glutathione.
Glutathione is also a natural antioxidant, and it can convert fat-soluble toxins into water-soluble toxins so that they can be flushed out of our bodies.
I had my annual physical. I was told that my transaminase, I think that's how you pronounce it, transaminase levels were too high, which was putting too much pressure on my liver. That was kind of a wake-up call for me. I knew I had to do something about it. My brother introduced me to Liveright, and I like the fact that it's all natural. I've been taking it for quite some time now. In fact, several weeks back, I had another physical. Turns out everything's fine.
My mouth was dry, and I had bad breath. It sounds kind of gross, but it was worse than morning breath. Within a week of taking Liveright, I noticed that bad breath was gone.
I struggled with acne almost all my life. You know, I know that you can't tell now, but I really did. And I've tried everything. The special astringents, the toners, the lotions, the creams, anything dealing with acne, I've tried. Finally, I found a product that I absolutely love, and I know because of this it works. It's Tri-Antioxidant and Liveright, okay, the best product out.
In order to detoxify your body and prevent disease, you must first take care of the organ that is responsible for detoxifying your body, and that is the liver. Therefore, by taking care of your liver is taking care of your entire body.
Liveright helped me bring my health back, and I'm going to continue to use it.
It's just changed my life. I'm really, really happy with Liveright.
When taking Liveright, it is recommended a person drink plenty of water. Consult your healthcare professional if you're concerned about a pre-existing health condition.
I know that my friends and my coworkers, they think I'm totally obsessed with this product, but it works.
Contact an FKC member to learn more about how you can purchase Liveright.